Have you ever wondered about the secret materials that make up dental floss? In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery of dental floss and explore the innovative Power Bite dental product that can enhance your oral hygiene. Let's get started. Dental floss is a vital tool in maintaining your oral hygiene. It's a thin, flexible strand that's designed to slide between your teeth and remove food particles and plaque. What is dental floss made of? Dental floss is typically made of one of two materials, nylon or Teflon. Nylon floss is multifilament, consisting of several strands twisted together. Teflon floss is monofilament and made from a single, smooth strand. Both types effectively remove debris and plaque from your teeth. Importance of flossing. When developing your oral hygiene regimen, it is important to include flossing once a day in order to decrease the likelihood of cavities and gum disease. Benefits of flossing: helps remove food particles and plaque between teeth and along the gum line where your toothbrush can't quite reach, better removal of bad breath-causing bacteria than brushing alone, removal of plaque from below the gum line, which can erode tooth enamel and develop into tartar, can cause teeth discoloration, reduce the risk of cavities, reduces the likelihood of soreness, puffiness, and unsightly redness of the gums, helps prevent gingivitis, which can progress to periodontitis. When should you floss? At least once per day, preferably before bedtime. Floss before brushing in order to ensure the loosened particles are cleaned away from the mouth. What kinds of floss are there? Waxed and unwaxed thread, most common types. Super floss, most beneficial to those with orthodontic braces, bridges, and wide gaps between teeth. Floss picks, convenient for traveling or flossing on the go. Air flossers, use air pressure to push out debris between the teeth. Water flosser, use water pressure to flush out debris between the teeth. Now that we've uncovered the materials behind dental floss, let's shift our focus to the Power Bite dental product. It's a revolutionary dental product designed to enhance your oral hygiene, including flossing. The Power Bite dental product promotes gum health and helps maintain your oral hygiene routine. With its unique blend of ingredients, the Power Bite dental product not only promotes gum health but also complements your flossing routine. It's a game changer in the world of oral care. How to use dental floss properly. Step 1. Get the right floss. Choose between nylon or Teflon dental floss. Step 2. Measure the floss. Cut about 18 inches of dental floss for comfortable use. Step 3. Hold the floss correctly. Wrap the ends around your index fingers, leaving a few inches in between. Step 4. Start flossing. Gently slide the floss between your teeth, using a back and forth motion. Step 5. Curve around each tooth. Curve the floss in a C shape around each tooth to clean both sides. Step 6. Be gentle and avoid snapping. Floss gently to avoid gum damage. Avoid snapping the floss. Step 7. Repeat for each tooth. Continue the process for each tooth, ensuring you floss both sides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on dental care and oral hygiene. We welcome your questions and comments, so feel free to share them below.